Today we have a Samsung TV that does not show a picture. As you can see, it does turn on, the light comes red, but we have no picture on the screen. So we will be doing a small test just to check if we do or not have a picture on the LCD by pointing a flashlight into it. As you can see, this does have a picture, so we most likely have the burned LEDs on this TV. So that's what we are going to check. Let's then remove the panel from the TV to reach where the LEDs are. To do this, we will be removing all the screws around the back of the TV. They are all Phillips screws, and we will use this little drill to remove them all. Under the feet you will have 2 more screws. And now we will be removing the back panel from the TV and show you the 3 boards that are used to operate this TV. The yellow one is the power supply, the other one is the main board, the other one is the T-con that connects to the panel itself. To start the disassembling, we will remove the power button, and then we will pull out the speakers. They are connected by little rubber screws, so we just pull them out. This is the second one, and we disconnect it from the main board and pull them aside. We remove the flex cables from the panel boards, so we can then take the little panel boards away from the frame of the TV. We will remove now the bezel. I'm doing this with one hand so I can film everything. And by removing this, we will have access to the panel itself. This is the most fragile thing on the TV. If we break it, it's the end of the TV. So we need to be very, very careful. I will use my 2 hands to do this. So here I will show you the panel removed and on my couch. We will now keep on removing this rubber border where the panel sits, to then remove the refraction panel that refracts the light from the LEDs. With that done, we will be revealing the LEDs. We need to remove these clips. These are for this paper panel on the bottom to be fixed in place, and also to support the refraction panel. And over here we can now check that there are indeed 2 LEDs that are burned out. So these are the ones that are not allowing the TV to turn on. All the others, they seem okay, but if 2 of them are not okay, the voltages don't match and the TV don't turn on. Here are the new ones that I ordered from AliExpress. And these are all the brand new LEDs that we will be going to use on this TV. So let's now take out the new ones and also the old ones. As you can see here, this is the connection between the two LED strips. With all the old ones removed, let's start by putting the new ones. So here is the connection between the two LED strips. As you can see, they don't match the same as the others did. So either I ordered the wrong ones or they sent me the wrong ones, but I will not be returning them because I did that once and it took like 3 months for me to get the product there, and then they did never pick it up and it came back to my house, so it's a royal P in the A. So let's just test these ones and see if they light up. They do, which is good. We can then probably fix this TV. We will now just need to adapt this new LED strips to our TV. Let's try it one more time. And there you go. They light up. They should be working fine. So let's just try and adapt this to the TV and see if we manage to put it to work. So here is the paper panel that you can see it's not matching anything, and here is the paper panel with the new holes to match the new LED strips. So let's take it from here and assemble the TV. Now let's do a little test with this refraction panel, and as you can see, it's lighting up. We do see them because they are probably stronger than the other ones that the TV had, or the panel is already wasted. So here the TV already with the LCD panel and the bezel, and here already screwed in place. Let's test it. And it turned on, and we have a picture, which is good. Let's see if we see any difference on the screen. It is in display mode, so that's why we see those signs for Samsung. Well, here it doesn't look that bad. Let's give it a test with the device. So I will use the PlayStation to test the AV and see if we have a picture from there. I'm going to use this PlayStation 1 with the Overboard game, which is a very nice game that I like a lot. And now we will test it and see if we have a picture on the screen. Let's change to AV. And we do. We can see a few bright spots, but I think it's nothing that serious. And I'll leave you to the intro of the game. And now we will test the HDMI with a PlayStation 3 and see what we get. It's showing up a screen and it doesn't look that bad. We do see those bright spots on the clearer areas, but I think this is better than throwing it into the trash and having a pile of e-waste laying somewhere in the environment. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. It's not the best fix in the world, but it's working. So give me a subscription if you enjoyed it as well, and I will see you on the next video. Enjoy, bye!